today. Today I'm finally getting around to unboxing my iRobot Roomba i6 Plus. We're going to compare this heavily to the i7 Plus, which I currently already own. So the i6 Plus is an exclusive for Amazon. You will not see an i6 Plus at any other retailer in the world. The i7 Plus is an iRobot. Well, I won't say exclusive. It's iRobot's original one that all stores can sell. Target, Best Buy, Amazon, you name it. And then there's also an i8 Plus, which is a Costco exclusive. The robots themselves, the self-empty bins, across the board they should be identical specs-wise. They're all gonna have the same power, the same rollers, the same design. The faceplates might look a little bit different. I believe the Costco one comes with a couple extra accessories, meaning like an additional side brush and maybe one extra filter. And the battery life's supposed to be about 20% better overall. So not a huge difference. I'm not sure why iRobot did this. I'm not a big fan of it. So when you see an i6 Plus and i8 Plus, you think, okay, it's a brand new robot. Let's check it out or let's order it. Just to realize it's just a rebranded i7 Plus that's been out for a couple of years. So I guess on a business perspective, it's kind of smart of them to get people thinking, okay, it's a new product, so I'm gonna go and order that. But it's kind of lying in a way because it's really not different. Anyways, let's go ahead and cut into this guy. I'll put this guy through all my tests. Stress test, mega stress test, all that good stuff. Mapping test. All right, here we have the manual, of course. I don't need that since I have all their high-end vacuums. I'm gonna go ahead and set this to the ground and I'll pull out each piece one by one and show you. Of course, we have the power cable for the automatic dirt bin. And of course, we have the robot vacuum itself, which also has a seal. All right, there we have it. The iRobot Roomba i6 Plus. I have a sticker over my i7 Plus, but I do not remember it being this light of a silver. I actually like the looks of this. Nice and clean. It's got some lines in it. I don't know if you can see that good on camera. It's a nice clean look to it. I really like it. It's got the same exact system at the bottom. And of course, it's the i6. So pretty cool. It's a carrying handle. And of course, you have more manuals, which I do not need. All right, here we have the self-empty bin. One of the best things ever invented for the robot vacuum, I think. This thing is a must. Once you have one, you really don't want to have a robot without one. That's why all the manufacturers are starting to come out with them. It's a very, very popular item. It works, I would say, without a doubt, the best out of any self-empty bin on the market. And it comes with one single dirt bag, which that's kind of cheap on their end. I really believe they should give you at least two, maybe even three to start with. So the dirt bags, a lot of people love, a lot of people hate. I personally love it. So when you're done cleaning, you literally just put this away and throw it away. A lot of people don't like that for the environment, which I understand. And then the bags are about $5.50 to $6 each, depending on where you buy them. All right, I must say I'm actually a little bit surprised and disappointed that this comes with only the stuff to get you started. There's no extra side brush, no filter, no extra bag, nothing. At the very least, I think they should have given you a couple extra bags, but it is what it is, and that's okay. Do you guys like the looks of this guy? I actually really like the silver. I think it looks nice and clean. Definitely better than the i7. I believe the i7 is a real dark color. Let's go ahead and plug this guy in, get him charged up. All right, the i6 Plus is charging. I'm gonna go ahead and connect it to my app, do everything I need to do, and then I'll start running some tests. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see any specific tests with this guy. If you want me to do like side-by-side test or one after the other with the i7 Plus, which they should be identical. One should not really clean better than the other. It's really just a rebranding of the model number that they're doing and then a different faceplate. Guys, well, that's gonna wrap up this quick unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Once again, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask below. And if you could help me out and like and subscribe. See, even the Roomba asked you, please like and subscribe. And it'll help us both out a lot. Have an awesome day, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.